Because Santa knew that Avery was going to be at Nana's. He went ahead and brought her gift early. He brought her a pony.
Did you get a pony, girl?
She got a pony.
Did you get a pony, girl? Avery girl.
He doesn't do that often. So she's really special. Do you like your pony? Yeah. Look at your Christmas tree. Ooh. Look at him go. What does the kitties think of your pony? Bless you, Daddy. Do you all see all those pretty bright little lights on the tree? Those are Daddy's new LED lights. Yeah. Right now they're the newest, most expensive little thing. Yeah.
Yeah, until Bob got some, we were the only ones on the street. We're trendsetters, aren't we, girl?
And when you're 20, those are going to be the most outdated things and so cheap. Yeah. Love you, babe.